Hi guys, you can practice speaking at home even though you don't have a teacher. You can do this in 5 simple steps. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how. First, you're gonna need a list of things. You're gonna need a list of questions. You're gonna need a notebook and a pencil or a pen. And finally, a cell phone or any recording device. It can be a smartwatch, it can be an iPad, or anything that can record sound. The first step is to get a list of questions. This list of questions should be from both speaking part 1 and speaking part 2. If you cannot get this list of questions, I'm going to provide you with one. You can check the link in the description. Secondly, you're going to prepare your answer. How do you prepare your answer? You prepare your answer by writing some notes, writing a simple plan. In part 1, you're going to take 30 seconds to think of an answer and a little relevant detail. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to write the whole answer, just think of an answer and a little detail. In part 2, as you're preparing, you're going to take 45 seconds to think of an introduction, a clear position, a reason, an example, and a conclusion. Next, you're going to record your answer. You're going to use your phone or your iPad or a smart watch, anything that you're using to record your answer. How do you record it? You're going to record for 45 seconds in part 1 and for 60 seconds if the question is for part 2. When you're recording your answer, you need to be very strict with the time limit. After recording your answer, you're going to listen and check. How do you do that? Well, you're going to check for a number of parameters, and these are 4. The first thing is to check for accuracy and appropriateness. Here, you're going to listen and assess whether you have answered the question. The next thing is to check grammar. What do you check in grammar? You have to check whether you have answered with correct grammar and with different grammatical structures. You don't have to use one type of grammar. You can use different grammar types. Next is to check vocabulary. How do you check vocabulary? You're going to listen and check if you have used topic-specific words and with minimal repetitions. Can you repeat some words? Yes, you can, but it shouldn't be very pronounced. It shouldn't be a lot. You can make repetitions, but not very many, because the more repetitions, the more it shows that you have limited vocabulary. Finally, you're going to check for idea development. How do you check for idea development? You're going to check whether your answer is backed by reasons and examples. And finally, whether you come to a conclusion. The last step is to practice and record again. You're going to get another list of questions. In my recommendation, I would say you need something like 3 questions. 3 questions from part 1, 3 questions from part 2. So you're going to practice and record again. That is how you practice speaking at home, even though you don't have a teacher.